Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this Airsoft gun. And today I bought it. The price was 315 INR. So this is a made in China product, and as you can see on this side, this ammunition 6mm BB and capacity 10 rounds of 6mm BB in magazine, and blah blah blah. That's it, done shoot. That's it. In here instruction how to assemble all the accessories. So that's it. Now let's open it up. Well, this is it. This is all you get in the box packing. This gun, you get goggles, which is kind of useless, as you can see, not so clear and not good at all. Anyway, keep it aside. And here you get some BB bullets and for mounting screws for the accessories, and this is the mounting bracket. This is a dummy silencer. This is a digital sight. I think here is a button here I can see. So this is a battery compartment, and I think light will glow here on the screen, which is also useless. You're gonna see through this glass clearly. So this is also useless. This is for show. And this is a tack light, and these are the batteries, and one of them is gone. It's history. So this is the gun itself, and this is the magazine. There is no weighted things in the magazine, so it is very light. And the gun quality is not so bad, but not so good either, like we used to get before. Okay, I had one. Let me show you that. This is the one. I am having this since 2011, I guess, and this one's quality is much better. The plastic quality and the sturdiness is much better than this one. So anyway, not so bad. So now let's load some bullets. Let's shoot it there. Box. So you can see the marks here on this cover, and it's kind of powerful, you can see, but not so much. So that's it. Now let's try to attach the accessories. Also you'll get a screwdriver right here, but it's missing here now, because at the shop it was a total sealed pack, and I opened it there, then it was there. Then after that I was checking all the stuff and testing this gun. So that time after that, maybe I have left that screwdriver there. So you'll get a screwdriver to assemble this stuff, don't worry. But I'm gonna use this my screwdriver. Also, this is the tack light. Let's remove these batteries from here. So you can see the tack light is working. There's 3 batteries here, and After you close this compartment door, there is a screw hole here. You need to mount the screw here of that. So that's it. And now let's open this and see what it does.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine.
So I needed 3 batteries here, but I didn't have the third one, so I'm gonna use this one. This is not the same, but let's see if it works. So now I mounted the screw here and inserted battery here, the compartment, and now I turn this on. There is a laser light here. I was wrong about that, the scope here. I thought the light will glow here. It's not. The laser is here, so it will just turn the laser on. That's it. Now this is the mounting bracket, and now let's mount this. The screws will be needing here, 2 here, and other 2 are here. So let's do that.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and
Okay, I mounted the screws, but still they are a bit loose. Anyway, now let's mount this. So this thing here, this is the lock here. It will be lock in between these lines. So you need to pull this up and then slide this in and leave it. That's it. Now you can turn the laser on. And so now it's ready. It's complete now. The scope here with the laser light and the tack light here. So now it's ready to use. The bullets in there. 3 bullets are in there now. So let's load it up and shoot. Turn the laser, turn the tack light, and this is the dummy silencer. This is it, the pipe inside it. The bullet goes through this pipe, and this is very easy to mount. Just put it here and push it. That's it. or simple. So that's it guys, that's how you assemble this pistol, this accessories here, and that's it. That was the unboxing and testing video of this Airsoft toy gun. Hope you're gonna like the video. If you like it, hit the like button and share it with all your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.